Hello students, how are you all? Hope you all are doing good. Welcome to our maths class. Today we are going to learn chapter number 11, length, weight and capacity. In this lesson we are going to learn about the measurement of length, measurement of weight and measurement of capacity. So let's start. Let's measure the length. Yash wants a study table in his room. Yes, Yash is a boy and he wants a study table in his room with a stick. He measured the length of the wall. With a stick, what did he done? He measured a length of the wall where the table was to be placed. It was 4 sticks and little more. When he measured with the stick, how many sticks was there? It was 4 sticks and a little more place. So students, see the picture. This is a picture. In the circle you will see that where the Yash wanted to place the table and the measurement of the sticks. What it is done. See 1, 2, 3, 4. So it is 4 sticks over here for the measurement of table. Now students, see this picture. In this picture you will see the 4 stick and little more place over there. When Yash took the measurement, what he got? He got 4 sticks and little more place. So now he had took the measurement and he have to place the same measurement table over there. After taking the measurement, Yash went to the shop to select the largest possible table. He saw several tables there. When he went to the shop, he saw several tables there in the shop. He used the same stick as before to measure the tables and he used the same sticks, means that 4 sticks which he was used to measure the tables. Observe the picture and decide which table Yash would choose. Now what we have to do? We have to observe the picture and we have to select that which table would the Yash will choose. Color the box under the selected table and we have to color the box under the selected table. So students, what do you think? Which table would Yash select? 2 sticks table, 3 sticks table, 4 sticks table or 5 sticks table? Yes, Yash would select 4 sticks table because he had took the measurement of the sticks which was 4 sticks. So after measuring the 4 sticks, he will select the 4 sticks table. Now see students, what it is given in the box. Why do you think Yash did not choose the table that measured 5 sticks? Why Yash did not select the table measured by the 5 stick? Because at home he measured the place which was of 4 sticks and little more, but it was not of 5 sticks. So he selected the table of 4 sticks. Now we will learn about let's weight. So let's start. Color the box below the heavier object. We have to color the box below the heavier object. So first one, it is a feather and the ball. From both of these, which one is the heavy? Feather heavy or ball is heavy? Yes students, yes, ball is heavy. So we will color the box of ball because it is a heavier object. Let's see the another one. Color the box below the lighter object. Now we have to color the box given below the lighter object. First we have colored for the heavier object. Now we have to color it for the lighter object. So in the picture what it is given? It is given key and balloon. So from this, which one is the lighter object? Students, key or balloon? Yes, balloon. Balloon is the lighter object. So we will color the box of balloon because it is a lighter object. Let's move further. One night, Chintu and Bittu, the two foxes, were passing by the jaggery factory. They saw a lump of jaggery there and were thrilled. One night, Chintu and Bittu was the two foxes passing from the jaggery factory and they saw a lump of jaggery. They were thrilled. Chintu said, I love jaggery. I will make the shares. But Bittu said, no, I am older. I will divide it well. And they both started quarreling over there. Bholu the bear was watching them quarrel. Yes, Bholu was watching the quarrel of both the foxes, Chintu and Bittu. He went to help them. Don't fight, you two. I will share out the jaggery fairly for you. And Bear said to both of them, don't fight, you both. I will share the jaggery for you. So the fox asked to the bear, how? Then Bolu said, Bolu the bear brought something to help them. What did he brought? What did the Bolu bring to make the equal share? What does a greengrocer use to weigh the vegetables, students? Yes, what it is called? It is called a balance. It is called a balance. So Bolu brought the balance to share the equal jaggery to both of them. Look at the balances below and name the lighter and heavier thing in each pan. We have to look at the balances below. Two balances are given over there and we have to look at that picture and we have to write the lighter and heavier object. So in the first picture over here, this is the lighter object and this is the heavier object. And in the second picture, the balances is equal. So no lighter, no heavier. It is equal. So we will write over here equal. Go to the provision shop and watch how various groceries are weighed. Note the different types of balances used for weighting the things. Now go to the grocery shops or different shops with your parents and see this balances over there. There are the different types of balances. When you go to the market, you will able to see this. Now let's see. Let's measure capacity. Color the box under the vessel which will hold more water. Now over here vessels are given and we have to color the vessel which will hold the more water. So let's see the first picture. Now tell me which one will hold the more water? Yes, bucket. Bucket will hold the most water. So we will color the box of the bucket. In the next picture, glass is given and the cup is given. So students, which one will hold the more water? Glass or cup? So yes, glass will hold the more water. So we will color the box of the glass because glass will hold the more water. Yash and Rama brought several different vessels from the kitchen. Yash and Rama brought the several different vessels from the kitchen. They had a mug, a bucket and a tumbler. They are having a mug, a bucket and a tumbler. They use a cup to fill all these vessels with the water, and they use the cup to fill all these vessels with the water. So students, see the picture properly. These are all vessels which is filled with the water. Yash is saying to Rama, Rama, can you tell me which vessel holds the most water? Rama is saying, yes. So students, which will hold the most water? Yes, bucket. So we will write bucket. And Rama is asking to Yash, now you tell me which one holds the least water. So students, which one will hold the least water from this vessel? Yes, glass. So we will write glass. See the picture, balloon and the toy. Which one is the heavier? Yes, the toy is the heavier. So we have written over here heavy for the toy. See the picture. Which one is the heavy object? Yes, the second one is the heavy object. So we have written over here heavy over here in the second object. Students, see the picture properly. In the picture, you will see the lighter object and the heavier object. This is a lighter one and this is a heavier object. How many sticks long is the racket? Yes, how many stick long is the racket? Racket is there and sticks are there. How many stick long it is? 1, 2, 3 or 6? Yes, it is 3 sticks long. From the following vessel, which vessel will hold the more water? Glass, bucket, jug or tub. From this four vessel, which vessel will hold the more water, students? Yes, tub. Tub will hold the more water. So, we will write the answer tub. From the following picture, the longer insects we have to take for the longer insect. So which one is the longer insect? Yes, this. So we have tick for the longer insect over here. From the following picture, we have to take for the lighter side. So which will be the lighter side? Yes, this. So we have ticked over here for the lighter side. From the following picture, we have to take for the taller elephant. So which one is the taller elephant? Yes, this. So we will take for the taller elephant over here. From the following picture, we have to take for the heaviest object. So which one will be the heaviest object over here? Yes, ball. So we had take for the ball because it is a heavier object. See the picture properly. How many pencils long is the tray? What we have to write? How many pencil long is the tray? So let's count the pencil. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So 5 pencil long is the tray. So we will write the answer 5. So students, hope you all have understood the lesson length, weight and capacity. Thank you.